This 2013 Starcraft Autumn Ridge 235FB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey, 08215 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Starcraft is 26 feet 2 inches in length and features sleeps 4, air conditioning, water heater, refrigerator, microwave, and 42 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features couples coach, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2013 Starcraft Autumn Ridge 235FB is 4,623 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.